The Psychology of Money, Timeless Lessons on Wealth, Greed, and Happiness by Morgan Housel. This book summary is presented by Murphy Publication. It explores the complex relationship people have with money, wealth accumulation, and the emotional and psychological factors that influence financial decisions. Unlike traditional finance books that focus solely on numbers and calculations, Housel's work emphasizes the profound role psychology plays in how we manage, grow, and relate to wealth. The book's central message is that financial success isn't solely about how much you know or how skilled you are at making money, but rather how you behave with it. Key themes. 1. The role of luck and risk. Housel highlights that financial success often stems from a combination of luck and risk. While people tend to attribute wealth to skill and intelligence, luck frequently plays an outsized role in success. Bill Gates, for example, was fortunate enough to attend one of the few high schools with a computer in the early 1970s, giving him a rare opportunity. On the flip side, risk means that even the smartest and most careful people can face financial ruin due to unforeseen circumstances. Housel emphasizes that understanding and respecting both luck and risk is crucial in building long-term financial stability. 2. Compounding as a secret weapon. The power of compounding is central to Housel's discussion on wealth building. Many people underestimate how time can be an asset when it comes to wealth accumulation. Warren Buffett's fortune, for instance, was largely a result of starting to invest early and allowing compound interest to grow his investments over decades. Housel argues that small, consistent actions over a long period yield much greater rewards than attempting to strike it rich with risky, short-term bets. 3. Behavior over technical knowledge. Financial success, according to Housel, has less to do with IQ or financial knowledge and more to do with how one behaves with money. People with little financial expertise but who are patient, disciplined, and able to avoid rash decisions often end up wealthier than financially savvy individuals who make impulsive or emotionally charged decisions. Managing money requires self-awareness, humility, and the ability to manage greed and fear. 4. The importance of long-term thinking. Housel stresses the importance of adopting a long-term perspective when it comes to money management. People often overestimate what they can achieve in the short term and underestimate what they can achieve over decades. This can lead to hasty, short-sighted decisions, especially during market volatility or economic downturns. Having a long-term mindset helps reduce panic during downturns and provides clarity to stay the course. 5. Living below your means. One of the simplest, yet most profound lessons from the book is the idea of living below your means. Housel illustrates that no matter how much money someone makes, if they constantly spend more than they earn, they'll end up financially stressed. Wealth, in his view, is the ability to live comfortably without the pressure of maintaining an extravagant lifestyle. True wealth comes from having financial independence and peace of mind, not from material possessions or status symbols. 6. The Danger of Comparison. The book explores the harmful effects of constantly comparing oneself to others. In the age of social media and flashy lifestyles, it's easy to feel like you're falling behind or not measuring up. Housel argues that this mentality drives many people to make poor financial decisions in an effort to keep up with others. Instead, focusing on personal goals and needs, rather than societal expectations, leads to greater financial well-being. 7. The flexibility of money. Housel introduces the idea that money gives people the ability to control their time and make choices. This flexibility is more valuable than many of the material possessions people often pursue. Financial freedom allows individuals to say no to things they don't want to do, leading to a more fulfilling and less stressful life. Money's true value lies in its ability to provide control over one's circumstances. Conclusion. In The Psychology of Money, Housel offers timeless lessons on how people can better understand their relationship with money. He stresses that success in personal finance is not solely about knowledge or intelligence, but how you think, act, and behave in different financial situations. By adopting a long-term perspective, embracing humility, and managing emotions, individuals can navigate the complexities of money and achieve greater financial security and happiness. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this summary helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and growing.